Ninja Turtles Pro Edition with a super sweet mod on it. That's awesome. Very cool.
We'll do like this too.
Turtle mod time. Would you say this is the turtle communicator?
Yeah.
Putting that, and we think it's gonna be on one of these screws over here. There or there. So we'll see about putting that in. All right, so from the video we just watched in French, this comes out, this little 3 deal, and then it actually screws into the screw to the right of that flasher. So we're gonna zip that out of there. All right, this is a Pro, and it looked like in the French video that I just watched that this rail came farther down and allowed it to mount on this screw right here. But we just took out this plastic guard and we're putting it on the right screw of this little Triforce of plastic protector there, and it looks like it could potentially have a ball lock there, but that's angled enough that I think that would push a ball off of the back side of the TV in this post. So I think we're good. If we troubleshoot it and play it and balls get locked up there, we'll put some sort of rubber or something around it to keep that, maybe put a little rubber post that if it does get up there it might bounce off. So we'll see after a few plays. All right, look at that Pin TV. What is it? Yoyokopter 3D pinball mods. We don't have the game. Oh, the game is on, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, well.
I think that from what I saw in the video, his video was a few minutes long, but it just showed this, and I think it takes a second to boot. So we'll see. We have Turtle TV. Dun, 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 dun. That's really slick, dude.
Yeah, look at the radar too, down there.
I saw it down there, yeah. I want to hear the sounds. Yeah, I guess you got to play the game. All right, so let's shine that light over here and let's show how it's hooked up in the back box. So the video did not really show how it was hooked up in the back box, but you've got the board. Let's show you the back box here. The board is lower right, and it's just a 3-pin connector in there. The guy did a great job on this. It's got a little sticky. This will stick right there and hold it, and then there's enough length to go onto the play field and actually hook up the mod. So it's, even the connector is marked red and black on the end of the TV. So great mod. It looks like he's got all the right length wires. So this was just a super quick install. It didn't come with any instructions, but you can see we got Turtle TV action. So awesome. We'll button this up, we'll stick it all down and make it permanent to where that's not going to be jerked out of there and ripped off, and then this should be good to go. One screw, plug it in there, and she came on, she booted. It took a minute to boot, but looks awesome. I love it.
Great.
All right, last look here. This is the wire coming out for the TV that I've pulled. You can see the red and black comes down, and then the connector, you can see it's got a little red dot showing that red goes to red. So we connected that. I've left it loose, zip tied it in the back. I'm probably gonna throw a zip tie on it. Maybe route it through some of this harness here so nothing's gonna get caught in a coil or pinch a wire or something like that. And then you just gotta be mindful pulling the game open and close that you don't rip this wire apart, but it's 2 wires that connect it to 5 volts. So any 5-volt power that you had that you could hook it to, looks like it would run it, but it looks like it's made to run to that back box. So very cool, very easily installation. Bye-bye.